Here's a brief summary of the ride from north to south, 90 k's. Heading back north, I did a slight detour, that's why it's only 80 kilometers long. Okay, bike ride ulit. I got my video cam set up on my head. So that's my outfit for today. As you can see, I'm already on the trail. So saan napunta natin? Sa city or down south sa Sorrento? I don't know. Let's see. The fork is up there, so I'll decide when I get there. In the meantime, ito, what's in my sack, part 2. I got my bento box with me. Let me share it with you guys. I'll just flip this camera. There it is. So that's how it looks like. I put it on the aero bar. I got the charger in there. That's my spare video. I use it for charging my batteries. And that's the power bank. And of course my wallet, just in case. Okay. Alright, wish me luck. Alright, the forecast for today is around 32 C. So medyo mainit, no? So today is Friday. What is it? 19th of Feb. Okie dokie. Ooh, good day. Good day. Nice day for a ride. Look at that. Ooh, blue skies. Perfect. Okay. Later ulit. Okay, turn left here. Dandenong Bypass Trail. That's where we're going. This is the start of the show. Long day. I don't know where we're going yet. Maybe south or north. Either way, it is going to be a good ride. There it is, the magical bike trail. Rough roads. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Distance 14 kilometers. Countdown to a total of 53 minutes.
Oh, it's just a small segment.
Seconds.
Woo!
Minutes. 40
Yes!
seconds.
We're back to civilization. the rough road started here, but before that I turned left towards north and made a U-turn back south. This is danger. Flat tire. Heaven. Slowly. Dandenong Creek Trail. Yeah. Map says. Stop.
Total distance 41 kilometers. Work count out for a total of 2 hours 24 minutes 52 seconds. Pace for the last kilometer 3 minutes 28 seconds.
Yeah. Have you seen my bag? Have you seen my bag? Where am I? Safety beach. So 60k is 321. Yeah. A long day. I wonder if I took the Napian Highway here. Okay, doc. I'm here at Rosebud, having a feed. I'm looking for a water station. I ran out. I ran out of juice. But there's one Coles over there. See? Okay. Having my protein bar. Yeah. Okay. Shall we continue later again? Okay, Rosebud. Woo. Rosebud Hotel. Okay, we're back in action.
Total distance 70 kilometers. Count out to the top. 53 minutes. Seconds. 14 seconds.
McDonald's. I wonder what that is. Guess what? I'm hiding from the sun. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. So it is really, really hot. The sun is so high up there. Anyway, look. Under the tree. And then there's a fruit here. I don't know what it is, but yeah. Escaping the heat with my magic steed. See? I'm amazed with my felt bike. I got this bike since 2005. So it's done 4 Ironmans and so many long rides. And to this day, it never ceased to amaze me. So we're nearly 85 kilometers. One way still. I'm gonna try to hit 90, then make a U-turn from there. I'm nearly at the tip of Portsea, so I just hide under the sun and do some orienteering because I think I'm lost again. And yeah, by the way, the phone overheat. So I had to put it inside my bag. It doesn't like under the sun, apparently, just like a human. Okie dokie, later again. Ooh. I wonder whose front lawn is this. I hope they don't mind. Okay, 90Ks exactly with my partner in crime right over there. We made it. Unbelievable. Ooh, 90Ks. Look at. Oh, there's a restaurant down there. Alright. And you also have a trail on that side. Success! And I think there's a toilet over there. And a water station. So I'm gonna refill. Gonna eat. Freshen up. And plan our U-turn. Heading back to Springvale South. There it is. Check out, guys. Portsea Surf Life Saving Club. I'm here. Okay, let's have a look. It says there 90.25.
Workout paused.
I'm not at the tip yet. That's the tip. But I don't think there's a trail there now. Okay, update. We're heading home now. So I'm still here at Portsea. Look at that massive tree. Gee. And there's another one here. It's a good shade. I'm on the side of the road. Ooh, so hot. Had to soak my clothes wet under the tap over there near the Portsea SLC. So I can relieve myself. Oh man. Anyway, so we're 92.5 Ks, 5.1528. I already have my lunch, and that's where I'm at. I'm very close. I wanted to get to there, but maybe I'll run out of time, so I decided to. 92 Ks, that will take me 180 anyway. So that should be enough for the day. Ironman distance, you know. I'm still trying to build up my fitness at this time, so yeah, I'm getting tired too. So yeah, I'm just gonna be conservative biking back home, and yeah, see ya. Yeah, and I took it off from that one because it's getting heavy. I noticed it was pushing my helmet down. Anyway, okay. That's it for now. Later again, once I see a good place to take a 5-minute rest. Anyway, the ocean is just over there on that side. Okay, dokie. Hello. So I'm here at Rye. Okay. So I found a water station, drinking station. It's over there, see? So I use that one to refill my hydration pack. So I still carry one bidon with me. So it helps me put water in the hydration bag instead of me putting the whole bag under there. It's a bit messy. So with this one, it serves as like a cup. So yeah. So bike hack again. So but most of the time that one's empty. I put rubbish in there or an extra storage for food. Okie dokie. So yeah. Oh good. So I'm heading back. Right. Apparently the app I'm using is playing up. So all of a sudden it stopped and I lost some mileage along the way. But yeah, this is a beautiful place. Have a look. See, it's near the beach. Near the beach. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, pit stop at your local 7-Eleven. Yeah, I'm getting hungry. I think I've been on the road for the past, well, since 7 a.m. Or 8, and it's 5 now. Oh, that's the one I got. Good thing I got my key card with me. I got a brownie, pizza bread, Snickers. I ran out of this one, so this one will come in handy. Okay, time to eat. Also, my battery's gone. My phone battery's gone kaput. So, as long as I have lights, I just follow the road. Same route anyway. Well, I might plan a detour. Let's see. I'll finish this first, then think about it. I'm here. That long hill broke me. Unbelievable. Apparently this is a harder option I took. The one close to the beach is a lot better. This one's so that's a long climb, and I'm not over yet. There's another one coming up. So yeah, so I'm taking a breather here. All good. But yeah, I'm spent. Anyway, just taking 5 minutes, maybe 10. Yeah, it's a little bit cooler now, but still, oh man. Whew. This is a long ride, long day. Can't wait to get home and eat and have a good shower, and I'm gonna have a long sleep tonight. Oh well. I'm in what suburb is this? St. Helena Street. Helena Street. I think this is Mount Martha. I don't know. I don't care anymore. Yeah. It says there, keep left unless overtaking. I'll be staying on the left all day long, man. I'm too slow to overtake anyone. Alright, time check. 6:53. That's the time. I've been bagging since 8 a.m. 6:53. Ooh, going 12 hours. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm estimating 8 p.m. I'll be at home. Oh well. Alright guys, I'm home. I arrived around 8:30 from that 180k bike ride from our house to Portsea. Yeah, the last time I did 180 was 2015. So yeah, so a lot of things have changed. I'm a little bit older now, and yeah, I'm what, 78 kilos, 79. Last time I was only 72. Older and fatter, so it doesn't help. Normally it takes me around 6.5, 7 hours to do a 180. But it's not meant to be, but I think this trail that I took was a bit harder. And it's 2-1 today, and I haven't really done 180 for so long. Anyway, I'm gonna edit the vlog and I'll share it with you guys. See ya. So I started hosing down the bike to remove some dirt and grime. so I can hang it to dry. Also, I had issues with the phone. It was overheating and shutting down, thus I had incomplete data. Anyway, some photos from before the long ride. That is all. Thank you.